islands are made out of limestone. So that means they are not made out of coral, or they are not volcanic. And these limestones are actually quite slowly growing out of the ground of the earth, so to say. So the islands are slowly growing. You could see that we have a lot of caves even higher up where the bats live, for example. And it is very impressive to see that this whole jungle, out of the stone, these stones have a lot of minerals such as magnesium, iron, and a few other minerals that is enough with the rain for the trees to survive. And I think that is very impressive. That is one of the reasons why these islands will always stay uninhabited, as you could never build a house or resort on such a rock.